Borehole Navigator facilitates plotting of boreholes onto profiles. The first step in this procedure is to create a preference file to establish how boreholes are represented on the profile. This is done by selecting the File Preference option and reviewing or changing the profile settings. You must make sure that the toggle is turned on for drawing the profile. The next option is establishing the column width. This determines how wide each borehole is on the profile. The next option is the column labels. There are several components to the column label, and it is up to the user to define which component needs to be plotted. Material patterns are also established for each material type. These can be either a simple microstation color or an active cell pattern. Material labels are also defined for each material type. There are several components that can be set up to plot for each material. 0-hour water elevation and 24-hour water elevation symbols can also be defined, as well as the elevation label and the date measured label. Refusal and soil penetration test labels are the last options for establishing a profile. Once these are set, we can save these and then proceed to the Visualize Boreholes in Profile View icon. This icon presents a dialog with the option for selecting a chain and for establishing how the boreholes are going to be plotted onto the profile. There are 4 options for this: an offset, stack, profile depth, and borehole depth. Once the plot option is established, the next step is to identify which profile to plot these on. We select the name from the GPK file, and then the Define Profile Origin button must be selected so that the profile can be located in the MicroStation file. This is done by using the ID Cell button and simply IDing on the profile cell in the MicroStation view. This automatically populates the fields in the dialog. Returning to the Visualize Borehole dialog box, the desired boreholes to be plotted should be highlighted and then the Apply button selected. This automatically plots all the boreholes that were highlighted onto the profile.